Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying these holidays, and you are staying at home to keep yourself safe, right? Students, in yesterday's class, we have learned about types of sentences, right? We've done types of sentences and sentences. So, you all know that there are four types of sentences and about a sentence. A sentence is made up of a group of words. So now students, today we are going to learn about subject and predicate, which is in lesson number 2 of your English 2 book, page number is 27, subject and predicate. So student, this is the grammar part of this chapter. So what is subject and predicate? Student, a complete sentence has two parts. A sentence have two parts, is divided into two parts. One is subject and the other is predicate. What is subject? Subject is found in the beginning of a sentence. It is found in the beginning of sentence. It tells us who or what the sentence is about. The predicate is the action that tells us what the subject is or does. Understood? So predicate depends on subject, because what the subject is doing, it tells us. Who tells us? Predicate tells us. And in a sentence, what we are talking about, किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? That is subject. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? वो है predicate. For example, Ram goes to school. In this sentence, we are talking about whom? We are talking about Ram. So Ram is subject. Goes to school is predicate. So students, you have to remember it. That sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. The beginning part of the sentence is subject and the later part is predicate. Subject tells us who or what the sentence is about and what the subject is doing. Who tells us? Predicate tells us. Predicate tells us about the action of subject. I hope you've understood it. Now students, you can see there are few examples of subject and predicate. The baby blue joy flew into the apple. So in this sentence, we are talking about whom? We are talking about the baby blue joy. So हम जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो कौन है? Baby blue joy. That is why it is subject. And what is the subject doing? The subject is doing what? Flew into the apple tree. So it is predicate. Next is the 2-year-old girl cried when her mom took her toy. So what we are talking about? We are talking about a 2-year-old in this the 2-year-old girl in this sentence. So because we are talking about 2-year-old in this old girl in this sentence, it is subject, and what is that girl doing is predicate. What that girl is doing is she cried when her mom took her toy. Now next, the baby calf stood behind his mother. The baby calf is subject and stood behind his mother is predicate. The cranky old man threw his hat on the ground. The cranky old man is subject. Throw his hat on the ground is predicate. The large green Christmas tree was decorated with lights and ornaments. So this is, in this, the large green Christmas tree is subject, was decorated with lights and ornaments is predicate. The small sailboat rocked back and forth in the water. In this sentence, the small sailboat is subject and rocked back and forth in the water is predicate. So student, these are the examples of subject and predicate. Now there is an exercise. The subject and predicate practice. The subject is the person, place or thing that is being described. So जिसके बारे में describe किया जा रहा है वो है subject, और क्या बता रहे हैं उसके बारे में, that is predicate. For example, Sarah skipped along the road to school. So we are talking about Sarah. Sarah is subject. Skipped along the road to school is predicate. Now, while an S directions, write an S to the sentence if the underlined position is the subject. Write a P next to the sentence if the underlined portion is the predicate. So we have to identify subject and predicate in this exercise. So the first one is golf carts are fun to drive. So are fun to drive is underlined and we have to tell whether it is subject or predicate. So what do you say? Are fun to drive is what? Subject or predicate? It is predicate because golf cart is subject. We are talking about golf cart in this sentence. So golf cart is subject and are fun to drive is predicate. Next is I love riding roller coasters at the amusement park. So we are talking about whom in this sentence? We are talking about I in this sentence. I is subject and the underlined part, love riding roller coasters at the amusement park, is predicate. Number 3, the entire family showed up for the banquet. The underlined part is the entire family. It is subject. Showed up for the banquet is predicate. Number 4, no one remembered grandpa's birthday. No one is subject and remembered grandpa's birthday is predicate. Number 5, the runner stopped to take a sip of water. The runner is subject. Stopped to take a sip of water is predicate. Number 6, sometimes I forget to lock the door. So sometimes I is subject. Forget to lock the door is predicate. Number 7, the cook did not notice when the rat fell in the soup. So we are talking about the cook in this sentence, which is subject. Did not notice when the rat fell in the soup is predicate. Number 8, the turtle beat the hare at the race. The turtle is subject. Beat the hare at the race is predicate. Number 9, none of the children slept during nap time. So none of the children is subject. Slept during nap time is predicate. Now 10th, he pulled sword out of the stone and then sold it on eBay. So he is subject. Pulled the sword out of the stone and then sold it on eBay is predicate. Number 11, the dog chased after the tennis ball. The underlined part is predicate and the dog is subject. Number 12, the frightened squirrel scurried up the tree to his nest. The underlined part is subject. Scribbled up the tree to his nest is, scurried up the tree to his nest is predicate. Number 13, the bear ate all the snacks in the car. The bear is subject. Ate all the snacks in the car is predicate. Number 14, the fireflies danced all summer night. The fireflies is subject. Dance all summer night is predicate. So students, I hope you understood it well, what is subject and predicate. I'll be sending you few exercises as homework based on subject and predicate. You please do it. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.